Hello, we're learning to play hand in hand from the Trinity Grade 1 syllabus. Normally I like to tackle pieces, maybe a few phrases at a time and working towards hands together straight away. However, this piece has got such a clear structure to it in the left-hand part, because it's in what's called a 12-bar blues style, that it's actually much easier just to learn the whole of the left hand, which you can memorize very easily, and then we can start looking at how we're going to drop the right hand in. So just be aware, I would like you to learn the whole of the left hand to this piece before you look at any of the right hand bit. And also feel free to play around with these left hands. We've got what's called a walking bass line here. So let's look at this walking bass line. This is a really useful pattern that you can use for lots of other things that you might want to make up or write your own little pieces around. So in the left hand, we're going to take a C chord. So we're doing C blues. When you're doing blues and C, it all revolves around chord 1, which will be C, chord 4, which will be F, and chord 5, which will be G. So they're chord 1, chord 4, chord 5. Their proper names are tonic, subdominant, and dominant. Remember, 1, 4, and 5. It's only when we're actually in the key of C that C is 1. So what's the point of this? We can do all sorts of things then with that. There's loads of different patterns you can use in these different positions. So the one we're going to use for this piece is this. And we're just going to do that in various different forms. So we walk up a C chord, but we're also going to go, so we've got the first, the third, the fifth of the chord, but we're also going to want the sixth, and we're going to use the seventh, which is not B, it's B flat. Notice we're going what we call a semitone, a tiny distance there. So the best fingers to use to do this is to go 5, stretch your third onto the E, then 2, then your thumb, and up to B flat, like that. So we're just going to do that a few times. Here we go again. Did you definitely have your thumb on that A? I know some people probably ended up with their thumb on the G, so make sure you go 5, 3, so we're not going to use that finger. 5, 3, 2, 1, B flat. Let's try doing that same pattern, but on an F chord. So if that was starting with the C chord, but then with the 6th, the 7th, you can do the same with the F. So you go 5, 3, 2, and then up a semitone, that's the tiny distance to E flat. And then let's try it on a G position. So it goes G, B, D, sorry, G, B, D. Now we have an issue here. You'll want to do that, but that isn't the next note up. That is the next note, so this will be a white note. So hopefully you can do all those now. There's the C1. Here's the F1. And here's the G1. So just to get really familiar with those, you could just make up anything you like. Double notes. And when you feel like, you can change the F. Really compliment. And back to the C. You can do a G. And then back to the C. I just walk back down it at the end just to end the piece. Or you can walk up it and go back down it. And back up it, that's quite fun. Nice walking bass line. And then you can change the F1. C1 and a G1, then the F1, just making stuff up, back to C1. So just feeling, getting to know that position and realising, although we've got a piece we're learning with everything written down, it's good just to explore these useful shapes that we might want to use for our own little compositions.